What's good, Hilux fans? It's been 5 years since I rolled my car, and I am determined to get this thing back on the road. So like, subscribe, and hopefully, in the end, we'll go sideways again together.
Alright, I've got to get to the pub. It's getting late, got to get this done. Strap to there. Block and tackle. LN106 junkies, I've made a bit more progress. It's a couple of days later. I'll just give you the walk around. I've taken the headlights out and that grille because that wasn't chrome, and I've got a chrome one to put in there. It's going to look mint, and I've taken the indicators off. I think that for the lights, I'll try and get some sort of LED replacement light, but I'm not overly keen on losing the period correct look. I don't like the way that the LED lights have a clear front and then you can see the LEDs in there. It looks weird. I like the original lights. Let's have a look at the original ones. That's cool. I want that. So I'll see if I can get some LED lights that use those covers. Anyways, what's been happening back here, I've started masking up all the stuff that I have painted, and then I'm going to get the spray gun out and do the bottom of the car. But before I do that, I've thought about the order of things, and I've got to finish painting the chassis rails because only the back part of the chassis is painted. This front part's not painted. It does look like it's painted though. That's because I've just covered it in fur tan. And anyways, every, 2 hours you're meant to come out and, is it 2 hours? I don't know. 2 hours, yeah, 2 hours. Every 2 hours come out and give it a bit of water. So I'll be doing that tonight just to help the process continue. And then we're gonna hit it with some primer, some black, and then smash it with gloss. Hilux fans, we're getting really close now. I've fur tanned the entire chassis and I've just finished wiping it off. When you finish, it'll have like a couple of like drip marks on it, and then you just got to get a wet cloth and get that off. This is the bit that was rusty. You can see it's now gone black, except for the bits where the fur tan has been wiped off. It says you can paint over the top of that fur tan, but I want to show you something underneath the car. Just here. This chassis has this stuff on it. You can see that. I can scratch that off with my fingernail. I mean, it was all over. It was everywhere. But these were in the way, and I thought, oh no, I'll leave it. But now that everything's nice and clean, it bothers me that that's on there. So I've just popped those off. And I just want to show you something with the wire brush. Now that's a brand new brush on there, and watch what happens. That brand new brush puts white scratches into the paints. I don't want to go that far, and check this one out. I don't know how you can make them look like this, except for use them for a bit. Maybe I could get this and push it into the ground for a bit to get it to look like that. But once it's this shape, this won't hurt that under layer of paint. Push almost as hard as you want, and it will not take that bottom layer of paint off, but it will remove all of this. So if you're doing this job, try and get yourself a nice, look at that. The bristles aren't straight anymore, but that works awesome. Yep, you guessed it, I wire brushed the whole chassis. Right, YouTube, I'm about to prime the chassis, and it's a bit windy out here, so I'm worried about overspray. So I bought this. It's pretty handy. It's got a bit of tape at the top, so you can mask stuff off. So we're going to run that maybe from there. Right, I've got to throw down on half the car because I've only got one can of clear, and the whole point of doing this is to get it clear and easy to paint, easy to hose off the mud. You know, I want it to be slippery when you touch it, so it's going to have heaps of clear on it, and that means I'm going to go through that can pretty quick. There's something wrong with this nozzle. Shoots upwards. Just got a new nozzle. That's better. Right, check it out, check it out. Oh, that's pretty cool, eh? Got a good finish on it, still drying. 3 coats of clear, 2 coats of black, 1 coat of zinc. Toyota Hilux build and restoration fans, LN106 fiends. This is what you come here to see. Results, check it out. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice. That is bloody nice. Down here, look at that. I don't know if you can see it, but I can see myself in that. That is gloss as it comes. And under here, done a pretty good job of painting around all of these pipes. I mean, wasn't much to it. I just sprayed from a few different angles and it's come out good. It's come out good. You know, I wanted this to be good for many more years to come, and so long as I don't snap it in half or bang it into another like park tree, and I don't say another one because I haven't hit one yet, touch wood. Touch wood. But yeah, no, hopefully it should be right for many years to come. And this side, I've started taping it all up. I think, you know, it'd be easier if I just get a roll of Glad Wrap, one continuous roll of Glad Wrap, and just wrap around. But I don't have any Glad Wrap because I'm a bachelor, and bachelors don't have such, you know, things. You should see the inside of my fridge. Definitely bachelor life. But yeah, so, you know, I've got this plastic and plenty of tape, and that's what's happening. And then this has all been degreased, and I've got that can of underbody rubberized protectant. I've just, you know, I'm a bit over wire brushing stuff. I really freaking am. But there's this spot just here, and that, look, my finger's going brown when I touch it. So, you know, I'm not excited about having to wire brush again. This brown stuff here, this is different. This is dry. But, you know, I think I got to get rid of this stuff that feels icky because it won't go on very good. But, yeah, this will be the end of this video, and the next video will start with the underbody stuff.